More about living things. As you read the rest of the stories, remember to use the rules for better reading. How the hummingbird helps himself. What does the title make you wonder about? Do you think the hummingbird helps himself in the same way that the Venus flytrap does? Why not? Birds are animals that have a special way of helping themselves. Because they have wings and feathers, they can fly. This keeps them safe from many animals on the ground that would like to eat them. A hummingbird has a way of helping himself that is even more special than just flying. He is a very small bird that grows to be only about 3 inches long. A hummingbird is so little that he weighs no more than a penny. And because he is so light, this bird can do some very strange things when he flies. He can move his wings so fast that they make a humming noise in the air. And because he can move them so fast, he can stay in one place while he is in the air. This is something no other bird can do. The hummingbird can fly up to a flower, stay in the air while he eats the nectar, and then fly quickly away. He does not ever have to land on the ground to eat. He stays in the air where he is much safer. Another strange thing about this bird is that he can fly backward, upward, and downward very fast. Being able to fly like this keeps the hummingbird safe from bigger birds. Some of these birds would attack if they could only catch him. Because he can fly so fast, this bird can catch insects while he's in the air. He does not have to wait for them to come near him as the chameleon does. The hummingbird also helps himself by using his long, thin bill to get flower nectar. He puts his bill into a flower as he hovers over it. His tongue then gets out the nectar. The hummingbird's nest is a safe home because its color looks like that of trees it is in. The nest is about the size of half a walnut, so other birds cannot find it easily. The little hummingbird covers it with pieces of bark and leaves. Now think about what you have read and answer these 7 questions about hummingbirds. How big is a hummingbird? What can a hummingbird do that no other bird can do? What does a hummingbird eat? How does a hummingbird get nectar from flowers? How does he catch insects? What are 3 ways in which the hummingbird helps himself? If your class had a hummingbird, how could you experiment to learn more about him?